How to fix Zangi screen lock issue. You will open your Zangi and it's just got stuck on that screen lock. You tap but nothing happens. Yeah, that's super frustrating. Let's fix that for you right now. Usually this issue pops up because maybe the app permission got a little bit jumbled, or it's just a temporary glitch. Here's the first thing to try, and it often works. Just go to the app info of the Zangi. For that, simply tap on the Zangi and there you will be provided an option for app info. And if this option is not available on your phone, what you can do is simply go to the settings, then find the apps or the application manager, then tap on it. There you will see a list of all your apps. Find the Zangi in that list and give it a tap. Then you will be taken to this app of interface. Now, inside the Zangi app info, look for the permission. You can see the permission option at the second. Simply tap on it. And just ensure permission like phone or the storage are enabled. So my phone is not allowed. Simply tap on phone and allow it. So phone permission is that. If checking permission doesn't do the trick immediately, try these simple steps. Completely close the Zangi, like swipe it away from your recent app list, or it's not working in the background anymore. Then open Zangi again from your app drawer. A quick restart can often fix the minor features like this. Give those steps a try and hopefully that gets your Zangi working smoothly past the screen lock again. And that's all for today's video. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.